Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw staking rewards and determine taxable income, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your cryptocurrency exchange account. Navigate to the wallet or staking section of the platform. Locate the specific cryptocurrency you have staked. Check the balance to ensure your staking rewards are visible. Select the option to withdraw or claim your staking rewards. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the withdrawal process. Once the transaction is complete, confirm your balance reflects the newly acquired rewards. Next, record the amount of staking rewards you received. To determine your taxable income, note the fair market value of the rewards at the time of withdrawal. Use a reliable source to find the current market price of your cryptocurrency. Multiply the number of tokens received by the market price to calculate the total value. Keep records of all relevant transaction details for your records. This includes dates, amounts, and any associated transaction fees. Consult a tax professional to understand your specific tax obligations. Consider utilizing cryptocurrency tax software for accurate reporting. Stay informed about local tax regulations to ensure compliance. Remember, the tax treatment of staking rewards may vary by jurisdiction. Maintain accurate records throughout the year for easier tax preparation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.